fuel. Pretty bad. Not really what I'd call a wet weather driving car. You have to take your time, can't give it any accelerator, and it just wants to brake at the wheel spin. Trying to watch because I don't want to get its engine full of water either. Hey mate, I got my passenger with me. He's all good. Pretty wet. This is going down Row Road and Fielding. Pretty weird. I guess at least all the mud and stuff will be cleaned off the inner guards. Just means I have an excuse to clean the car again.